Staying with Karnataka, days after there was these obscene videos as it appeared, allegedly in which involves JDS leader Prajwal Revanna has emerged in the Hassan district in Karnataka. An SI team has now been formed by Siddaramaiah government to investigate the case further. Now the Congress party has protested and also demanded strict action against Prajwal Revanna. What is the case about? What does he have to say in this report?
Trouble is brewing for Prajwal Revanna, JDS candidate from Hassan in Karnataka. A sex scandal allegedly involving Revanna has become a talking point ahead of the third phase of Lok Sabha polls. Revanna, grandson of JDS chief and former Prime Minister H.D. Devegowda, on Sunday filed a complaint claiming that the videos being circulated are doctored. Prajwal in his complaint said that the videos are morphed and being circulated to tarnish his image and poison the minds of voters. The videos had gone viral on social media in just 2 days before the first phase of Lok Sabha polls in Karnataka on April 26th. Acting on the alleged sex scandal, the Siddaramaiah government has now ordered an SIT probe in the case. The Chief Minister said that the decision was taken after Women's Panel wrote to state government to take action against Prajwal Revanna.
They have received multiple complaints, multiple videos. I think Honorable Chief Minister has reviewed the entire situation along with the Home Minister and the police officers. Then they have come to a conclusion, then they have filed a case knowing the fact. So I think it is the NDA now has to decide whether there should be a part of them or not.
Meanwhile, reacting to the controversy, JDS alleged the Karnataka government was doing this purposely at the time of the elections.
ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು SITಗೆ ತನಿಖೆಗೆ ಆದೇಶ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಗಮನಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾನಾಗಲಿ ದೇವೇಗೌಡರಾಗಲಿ ಈಗ SIT ತನಿಖೆಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಆದೇಶ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಹಾಸನದ ಪ್ರಕರಣ ಚುನಾವಣೆ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಆಗಿದೆ ತನಿಖೆ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಬರಲಿ ಹೊರಗೆ.
The BJP meanwhile has distanced itself from Prajwal Revanna controversy. Congress protesters hit the street demanding thorough probe into the allegations. Purnachandra Tejasvi, the election agent for JDS and the BJP, has lodged a complaint against a person named Naveen Gowda and several others for circulating purported videos aimed at defaming Prajwal Revanna.
We need to wait and watch what the SIT is going to come up with, because JDS Supremo H.D. Kumaraswamy, who is also the former Chief Minister, stated that let all those who ate salt drink water, essentially implying that if Prajwal Revanna is guilty, then go ahead and punish him. With camera person Shagun, Anaga Keshav for India Today reporting from Bangalore.